Hello viewers, welcome to another episode of Excel Learning to Excel in Excel. Today's topic is application of true argument in Vlookup. Yes, so typically we have been using false argument in the Vlookup syntax. Today we'll be learning how to use true argument to our advantage and reduce a very big formula such as a nested if into a very simple way of working by using the true argument. Before we embark on the journey, if you like the contents, please do subscribe to my channel and do not forget to press the bell icon so that you can receive the notification as soon as a new video is released. So now moving on, let me take you to the example. Let us take a small example wherein we have a trader who has a slab based discount structure. So for example, if the sale value of the product is in the range of 0 to 9, both values included, both the extremes included, the discount percentage is 0, that is nil discount. If the sale value is 10 to 19, both bands again included, then the discount percentage is 1, and so on and so forth. So basically what we see here is he has a slab based structure wherein if I want to create a simple formula to calculate the discount percentage as soon as I punch a new sale value, I many of you will say that it is very easily doable by using the if function. You are right, but then I would like to tell you one interesting fact about this. There are around 10 accounts of the slab. So if I were to give a nested if, it would comprise of 9 nests inside the main if. So it will be a very complex if formula, and it will be difficult, number one, to edit in case of any changes in the values. Second, we can't debug it very easily, and also it's very difficult to write even for the first time because there are multiple loops. So what we are going to do is we are going to do some smart work and use true to our advantage and reduce this to a very simple VLOOKUP exercise rather than writing a complicated if formula. Excited guys? So let's see how it's done. One word of caution before we proceed is just like I've told you previously as well, few functions in Excel have their own tantrums. They operate well, but only if certain conditions are met. Otherwise, they do not throw up proper results. Just for example, subtotal function works only when the data is sorted in an ascending order, descending order. Otherwise, it does not function properly. Similar is the case with this function. The tantrums are there, but they are very easy to take care, right? So I'll tell you what the three tantrums or conditions are. Number one condition is the data should be sorted in ascending order. This is a must. Here we have the data sorted in ascending order from 0, 10, 20, 30, 40. Second is it should have less than equal to values. What is meant by that is, so here the first slab is basically telling anything less than equal to 9. Right? Similarly, here it tells anything less than equal to 19 and greater than equal to 10. But we have to focus on the less than equal to part. So data is incrementally growing. Okay, so that's the meaning of the second part. And third one is it has to be a slab based data. So of course here we have a slab based data wherein my discount percentage changes after it reaches each threshold and jumps into the next slab. Okay, now in order to use a VLOOKUP, we will require VLOOKUP to give a certain value, for which we will need to create a certain column to tell Excel that look, these are the values you can use. Now I've already created that and I'll unhide it for you. Please look at the column number C. Here I have created sales value for true function. Now what these are the lower bands of the range, and I'll explain you what it exactly means. So here I have put 10, which is the lower band of this first value. Similarly, here I have put 10, which is the lower band of this value. Now what it exactly implies, let me give you an example. If my sale value is 15 rupees, 15, then the discount percentage is going to be 1. So for Excel to understand this, what we have to tell Excel is, look Excel, anything which is greater than 20, greater than 10 but lower than 20 has to fall here. And that how it recognizes is, I am putting 10 here, means it is taking that something which is greater than 10. So it is assuming that. And since my next slab is 20, Excel automatically understands that I have a hard close just before 20. And hence it will show me for all sales values which are in the range of 10 to 19. Okay guys, so this is a bit trickier part, but you have to take care of this. Just remember these three conditions and put here the lower slabs. I'll write here for the convenience of all. Lower slab value. Okay, once we have this, we will just simply jump into our calculation. Now here I will write the formula equal to Vlookup, first bracket open, I will take this to be looked up, comma, I will select this range. It is appearing a bit weird because I have selected the format as formatted table, hence it is showing like that. Otherwise it will automatically reflect as a normal range as well. If you have not converted into a table, it's completely fine, you can use it either ways, comma, the column number is 1 2, so we are going to type in 2, comma, here comes the tricky part, we'll put true. That's it, bracket close, enter. It shows me 1%. Now let us choose another value. Let's say first let us put the hypothesis. Let's say anything between 60 and 69 has to show 6%. So here what we'll do is we will put, let's say 67. It should ideally show 6%. Let's see what HLOOKUP shows. VLOOKUP shows. Here we are with 6%. So that's for today, guys. Keep safe, keep smiling, and happy Janmashtami. Keep excelling in Excel. Thank you. See you again.